Hey kids, welcome to our little Grizzo TV.
Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a little girl named Maya. Maya had big dreams and a heart full of determination. She believed that she could achieve anything she set her mind to, no matter how big or small. Maya's positivity and unwavering spirit inspired everyone around her. One sunny day, Maya woke up with a sparkle in her eyes. She had heard about a grand kite flying competition taking place in the neighboring town. The prize was a shiny trophy and the title of the best kite flyer in the entire region. Maya's heart fluttered with excitement as she imagined herself soaring high in the sky with her colorful kite. Without wasting a moment, Maya rushed to her parents and shared her desire to participate in the competition. Her parents, seeing her enthusiasm, agreed to support her. Maya beamed with joy and immediately set to work. She knew that winning the competition would require dedication, practice, and perseverance. Maya spent hours designing and creating her kite. She carefully selected bright and vibrant colors, envisioning her creation dancing with the wind. She tied each thread with love and attention, ensuring that her kite would be strong and sturdy. Maya's passion and creativity poured into every inch of her masterpiece. As the days turned into weeks, Maya spent countless hours practicing in the open fields near her house. She ran, jumped, and maneuvered her kite with finesse. She learned the art of catching the wind and using it to her advantage. Maya faced many challenges along the way. Sometimes her kite would get tangled in trees or caught in strong gusts of wind. But with each setback, Maya persevered, determined to overcome any obstacle that came her way. The day of the competition arrived, and the town sky was filled with colorful kites of all shapes and sizes. Excitement hung in the air as the participants gathered on the open field. Maya's heart raced with anticipation as she held her kite, feeling a mix of nervousness and confidence. One by one, the participants took turns flying their kites. Some soared gracefully, while others struggled to keep their kites in the air. Maya watched with awe and admiration, marveling at the skill and determination displayed by her fellow competitors. Finally, it was Maya's turn. With a deep breath, she released her kite into the sky. The wind caught hold of it, and her creation soared higher and higher, dancing with the clouds. Maya's eyes sparkled with joy as she skillfully maneuvered her kite, performing loops and twists with precision. The crowd cheered, impressed by her talent and determination. As the competition neared its end, Maya's kite stood out among the rest. Its vibrant colors and graceful movements captured everyone's attention. When the judges announced the winner, Maya couldn't believe her ears. She had won the grand prize, the shiny trophy, and the title of the best kite flyer in the region. Maya's heart swelled with pride as she accepted the trophy. She looked out at the crowd, seeing the smiles and admiration on their faces. Maya realized that her victory was not just about winning the competition, but about inspiring others to believe in themselves. From that day forward, Maya became a role model for the children in her village. She taught them the importance of dreaming big, setting goals, and working hard to achieve them. Maya showed them that setbacks and challenges were not reasons to give up but opportunities to grow and learn. As Maya grew older, her passion for kite flying continued to soar. She participated in numerous competitions, each time inspiring others with her unwavering spirit. Maya's story spread far and wide, reaching the hearts of children all around the world. And so, The little girl named Maya became a symbol of determination, perseverance, and the power.